So, with that, guys, I'm going to open up the for some questions here. It looks like Joseph's got a question, and go ahead. You can unmute yourself and speak.
Hey Charles, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
Oh, I thought I had my video on. I don't. I
Yeah, I
had a
see.
question. I missed a couple of trainings. Whatever happened to Monster Engager AI? I go on the page and I get an error code.
Oh, you do. Well, let me see. So right here, Monster Engager is working for me. Let me show you. I've got So what I did, as I got my Monster Engager set up and going, it's here in this little. I put it in this little tab right here. It's a browser extension. And then it just, it fires up and I can actually start. It's actually started right now. Um, Here's what I'll
I'm trying to.
do.
I was trying to sign up for it and it's not there. And I've
Okay.
tried from my laptop and my cell phone.
Yeah, and so you're accessing it from where? Back here in the exclusive
Yes,
deals? Okay,
exclusive
so
deals. Yeah,
okay, this is good to know. If there's an error,
yeah, and right there, there's nothing there. That's
I
what I.
see I see what's going on. Okay, I'll get that fixed.
Okay,
Let me
thank you.
pull
And I,
this.
I wrote text customer service and I never got an answer back. This was like.
I'm going right to. I know
Okay,
exactly how to fix this. Thank you so much
thank
for
you.
bringing that to my attention.
And did you have any good ideas for reaching out on LinkedIn to people? The initial contact and then following back up with them. Any good ideas for that?
LinkedIn is such an amazing resource for marketing, and that's one area that I use in a different capacity. I haven't been using it um, so much for Save Club because I use it for like professional contacts
Hmm.
and for just like my own profile purposes. There are some great tools out there. Dave, have you ever done any deep stuff on LinkedIn?
Not a lot. It's really business to business on there. So I think what would be good would be like if you wanted to do the fundraiser, that would be a strong approach on LinkedIn. Or just the side hustle. Are you looking for a good side hustle approach? That would be good too. Also, anytime there's some really good savings for businesses as well. So like you could post that because LinkedIn, is not like Facebook. Facebook's more community. A lot of people on LinkedIn are real business to business. So, kind of trying to, you just want to tailor it towards the audience, right? So that's what I would do on LinkedIn. So
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
thank
just
you.
so I would say I don't have any immediate LinkedIn tools. I'm gonna speak with Eli on my marketing team. I know he uses LinkedIn quite a bit, and that's a great suggestion. I
Because you
definitely
can
want to
reach out to
build that
people
out.
like our Uber drivers and see if they might be interested in, the signing up for it so that way they can get a discount on their their trips for their customers and also they make $5 and have some residual income.
Yeah, certainly. I mean, that's a great way to do it. And inside, let me show you. I built cards that you could use the template for. And so this is something, Uber drivers can put like a QR code in their back seat,
Hmm.
scan this for a free $5. I mean, how many rides are they doing a day? And people are sitting there in their car. They're probably actually going to be somewhere where the app would actually work, dining
Oh,
or shopping or who knows. Um, let me,
yeah, if you had that card, that would be tremendous.
yeah, I'll drop it right here. Okay, so let me show this off.
Because you can also use it on Facebook too.
So here's a business card template. And it's got this piece here, this piece here. Once you have access to this template, you can adjust it. Now to get in here and put a QR code, um, I'm in Canva right now, and you can use a free Canva. Canva is great because it also has this. You can actually print your cards right here, and the it's not like the very very best deal, but it's very competitive. It's just maybe like a couple dollars more. Like I print locally to save money on shipping, but the cost is effective. But it's so convenient to have the printing built right in here. And then inside here, there's tools that can be used to, where is it at here? Um, there's one right here called QR code. So you click here, you put the URL that you got. So let's say I want to send people to a page inside Save Club. I go back here. Let's say we're talking about promoting the app. So, I'll go down here to one of the app pages. Like I want to get someone to become a pre-enrollee right here, a pre-customer. I'm just promoting the app. So I'll copy that link and then I'll go here to the business card template. You go over here, you click on QR code, you put this in here, it generates a QR code, and then I just put it right here.
Now, is
And
this in Canva
this is
or
in
is it?
Canva. It is in
Okay.
Canva. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this Canva template. But did you see how easy that was for me to put
Yes.
a QR code in here? Yeah, they make it so easy. And then if I want to, I just go and I could print right here, and the cards will be at my house in a day or two. It's just so
Oh, wow.
convenient. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share this, and I'm gonna create this template link. And now this template link, I'm pasting it into our chat. So if y'all are watching this, you can get this template link in the WhatsApp chat. Go there.
And how's the Monster AI been working? Pretty well, or?
Yeah, I mean, yes. What what's great is, I've got a friend who he knows that I'm not on social media as much. Just, I find for me, I like to log on. I don't keep the app on my phone anymore just because in any given day I've got so much to do. I don't like to get distracted into scrolling and whatnot, but I love to use the tools to stay up to date with things and whatnot. So I generally access it, through my computer. And I've just been kind of void from social media, like no, like people that they don't see me there or whatever. Well, I use the engager and I start getting messages, I start getting phone calls, I start getting people reaching out. So it's a way for me to access these thousands of people that I would just be completely out of sight, out of mind to all of them. Yet by tapping in with the engager, I get the phone calls, I get the messages, and it's just a way for me to just stay active and prospecting and relevant to people. And then they can come back, they'll see that I'm involved in Save Club, they'll see what I'm involved in by just me making some posts. So it's really an effective way to manage my mind. What I mean by that is social media can be very distracting. I want to use it as a tool for communication and to connect with people. There's not a better tool out there than Monster Engager, where you're actually, being relevant in a thoughtful way with people and then bringing them back into, communication. So things that would take, you know, countless hours and then however many hours of being distracted, it's now just, bringing that efficiency there. And remember, in like the training, we're not talking about conquering the world and getting, millions of pre-enrollees yourself. We're talking about getting three a day. And when you're able to use the engager, spark up interest, communicate with someone on instant message, drop them a link, that's the best type of lead that you can get. And that's why engager. So, um, uh, Dave, can you comment on that about social media and about using the content drops on there? Because I have an answer from the Monster Engager team already, so I'm gonna tell you
Yeah,
about this.
so well, I think you want to mix in the content drops with just normal stuff too. If you just post nothing but content drops, and you don't want to look like your Facebook is real spammy. So you want to do some regular posting as well as, like every second or third post, throw in Save Club. So for example, let's say a Monster Engager goes and post on somebody's account and they're like, man, I haven't checked you out in a while. Let me go look. And if they go to your page and it looks like a spam bomb, they're like, whatever. But you might say, man, I mean, I don't know if you guys have checked out this new restaurant. It's pretty awesome. And you don't even have to say like you save money there, but just, maybe throw a picture up of dinner. And then the next time it's like, man, I can't believe it was 70 degrees yesterday and now it's 30 degrees. And then show a picture of like, oh, man, I got involved in this business. I'm glad I did. I'm saving on average $200 a month. You should really check it out. Boom, content drop. And then so now you look like you have engaging content. So as people are coming to read and see you, you look like you're actually a human and you're not just like a spam bot. But too many people in this industry, what they end up looking like is every single post is make money, this, that, this, and that. And then people come and they look at their page and it looks like, man, I don't know if I want to work. That person's just, whatever. And in this industry is what's even worse is there's people that bounce around like crazy and they got 20 different deals going all on one page. You know what I mean? And then people look at that and they're like, oh my gosh. So I would buy it works really good because it will bring people to your page. But just, spend a little time coming up and crafting good things. Like right now, summer's coming. So the travel discounts we have are huge. Hey, are you going on vacation? We got up to 80% off the best locations and maybe show an example of that, something like that, or do the content drop. I got tons of great, actually, I posted a couple today, really good travel videos to talk about get up to 80% off travel. So that kind of stuff. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah,
So Joseph, just to let you know that they're working on that Monster Engager piece. They're switching merchant accounts, and so he pulled it down until they have the new merchant account live. So that it's a known issue. He's working on it, and I'll let you know when that's back up. So thanks for the inquiry. Daniel, go ahead.
um, yeah, you guys can hear me okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've kind of bounced around like you were talking about, as far as going from several different network marketing, MLMs and stuff. And one of the things that has always been an issue, and one of the things that I want to congratulate you on, is the fact that, again, it's mostly just like, well, watch the training, watch the training, watch the training. I appreciate the fact that you guys are actually taking the time to kind of like walk us through some of these things. I mean, again, I may not be as seasoned as some of the other people that are participating right now, but I know that like it can be a little overwhelming. There's some people that aren't necessarily technologically proficient, but by again like providing like the step-by-step process so that way we can all be more or less playing on the same level. I just think that this is a really good mentorship program. So thank you.
Yeah, then that's what it's about. Is leadership is um about meeting people where they're at, be it novice. And so as we develop the 90-day blitz training or put these things together, it's to start out everyone off on the same platform. It's like even if it's fundamental skills that from being a marketing professional for decades, to go through it again refreshes the fundamental of why it's there because I forget so much stuff about marketing or the fundamental pieces and to just go through them again and that repetition is really the mother of the good habits. And so yeah, just getting it all in here in a way that will build on itself. So we're going to continue piecing these things in here and keeping them updated for 2026 because the world is changing faster than ever, and that's where we're at. Okay, I'm going to do one more question here because we're already at the top of the hour. Go ahead, Billy, and we'll wrap it up with here if you can unmute.
Well, I just wanted to say on the templates you were talking about,
Oh,
I
you got your
have
cards. Look at
cards.
that.
I
Okay.
went in there and I was just messing around in Canva and I saw your template. I'm like,
Yeah.
well, let's see if I can do this. I'm not very good at all this technical stuff. Like Dave, Dave's a wizard, man. I I am so impressed with some of the stuff he comes out here with. I just,
Hold up your card again, Billy, to the screen.
oh, I was trying to.
Yeah, nice. And then
Can you
what's it?
see
Did
it?
you get the backside too? Like flip it over.
Yeah, I
What does
got.
the
Yeah,
back look like?
yeah. Let me turn it around.
Nice. Okay, great.
Yeah, and I got it. The QR code of my app.
Got it. Okay, cool. So you're promoting the app page. I think that's page 9. That's great. Okay,
Let me get
great.
out of
Yeah,
here.
Billy,
I just want
that's
to say
awesome.
thanks, man. Thank you, Dave. David, you're an inspiration, dude.
Thank you, Billy. Appreciate you, man. Well, guys, thank you so much. We're at an hour here. I just highly encourage you to, dive back into the training. The 90-day blitz there has, again, well over 100 videos. The training's there. And you talk inside the forum there. If there's something you fully don't understand, get it there. And this is where we know to put, the attention of what's going on. So everybody, thank you for attending the Monday training. I'll get this recording out and post it out there through the email, and we'll see you on Wednesday night. Have a great day.